Welcome back to the basic concepts of chemistry topic. Today in this video we will discuss about the different types of concentrations. When we consider this concentration, it is applicable for the solute as well as the solvent. But actually when we use the term concentration, it is usually applicable for the solute. So first let us see, when a solute is dissolved in a solvent, if the homogeneous mixture is produced, it is called as the solution. When only one solute and one solvent is present, then it is called a binary solution. So in a binary solution, the concentration is applicable usually for the solute. There are different types of concentrations we use in chemistry as well as in our daily life. So let us see first this concentration expressed in terms of mass percent. Mass percent. It is defined as parts by mass of a solute, parts by mass of a solute in 100 parts by mass of solution. 100 parts by mass of a solution. So this mass percent, it is also named as the W by W percent. It is expressed as mass of the solute divided by mass of solution, mass of the solution multiplied by 100. Let us take one or two simple examples. Suppose I take 2 grams of a solute, dissolve in 25 grams of the solution. Then this mass percent or W by W percent is calculated as mass of the substance is 2 divided by mass of the solution is 25 multiplied by 100. So it is 8%. When we dissolve 2 parts by mass of the substance in 25 parts by mass of the solution, so it is 2 by 25 into 100. Similarly, if you take 5 grams of a substance, dissolve in 10 grams of solution. So to prepare the 10 grams of the solution, it should contain 5 grams of the solute plus 5 grams of the solvent. Then the weight percent will be equal to 5 divided by 10 multiplied by 100. It is 50%. Weight by weight percent is equal to 50. In a similar way, we can define volume percent. Volume percent. It is written as V by V percent. So this is defined as parts by volume of the solute, parts by volume of the solute in 100 parts by volume of solution, by volume of solution. That is, this is expressed as W by W is equal to volume of solute. Usually this volume we consider when the solute is in the liquid form, divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Let us take one example. Suppose I am taking 5 milliliters of a solute. Then you are dissolving in 20 ml of solvent, I am writing. So the total volume of solution is equal to 25 ml. Therefore volume percent is equal to 5 ml of this one divided by 25 ml of the solution multiplied by 100. It is 20% by volume. Okay, volume will be 20%. Now let us take the third one, mass volume percent. mass volume percent. This is usually for a solid solute dissolved in liquid solvent. It is expressed in terms of parts by mass of the solute in 100 parts by volume of solution. 100 parts by volume of solution. Say for example, this is actually expressed as V by V percentage is equal to W by V percent is equal to mass of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Say for example, I am dissolving 5 grams of a solute in 20 ml of a solvent. Usually this volume of the solvent and volume of the solution should be taken as almost same, because this much amount will not change the much volume. Therefore, this weight by volume percentage is equal to 5 grams of the substance divided by 20 multiplied by 100. So it is 25%. So weight by volume is mass of the solute divided by volume of the solution divided by multiplied by 100. So this is some concentrations. Usually we use these 3 types of concentrations in the medicinal preparations. So there will be a small amount of the solute in a certain amount of solvent. Therefore it can be expressed as mass or volume or mass volume percent. We shall take up some more types of concentrations in the next video. Thank you.